Prime factorization of 7644 is, to do prime factorization, first we should frame it in this way. 7644. This is your step 1. Next, in this number, last digit 4 even, so take 2. First number 7, a number close to 7 in 2 table is 2, 3, 6. 7 minus 6, 1, 1 carried forward 16. When do we get 16 in 2 table? 2, 8, 16. The other number 4, when do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. The other number 4, when do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. Now last digit 2 even, so take 2. First number 3, a number close to 3 in 2 table is 2 1s 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 carried forward 18. When do we get 18 in 2 table? 2 9s 18. The other number 2, when do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. The other number 2, when do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. Now last digit 1 not even, so not divisible by 2. Next prime number 3. To check divisibility by 3, for that we should add the digits. What I mean is 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1. We get 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So this number also divisible by 3. So take 3. First number 1 smaller than 3, so 2 numbers 19. A number close to 19 in 3 table is 3 6 18. 19 minus 18, 1 1 carried forward 11. A number close to 11 in 3 table is 3 3 is 9. 11 minus 9, 2 2 carried forward 21. When do we get 21 in 3 table? 3 7s 21. Now to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, for that add the digits. 6 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 16, and 16 is not divisible by 3. So this number also not divisible by 3. Next prime number 5. Last digit is neither 0 nor 5, so this is not divisible by 5. Next prime number 7. Let us check divisibility by 7 here. When do we get 63 in 7 table? 7 9 63. The other number 7, when do we get 7 in 7 table? 7 1s 7. No number has been left out, so this is divisible by 7. So 7 here. And here we should write this number 91. Now for this number we don't need to check divisibility by 2, 3 or 5, as we had already checked before. So for this number start checking divisibility from 7 onwards. So let us check. 91 by 7. A number close to 9 in 7 table is 7 1 7. 9 minus 7, 2 2 carried forward 21. When do we get 21 in 7 table? 7 3 is 21. No number has been left out, so this is divisible by 7. So 7 here. And here we should write this number 13. Now we have 13. 13 is a prime number, so 13 ones 13. So we got 1 here. So the prime factorization of 7644 is the product of these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 13. This is the prime factorization of 7644.